Hello, and welcome to Mr. USA English. I am so happy you are here. If you want to speak English confidently with the whole world, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to master 100 essential English phrases for daily life. These are the sentences native speakers use every single day. Here is how we will practice. I will say the phrase, explain when to use it, and then I will say it slowly so you can repeat after me. Before we start, please hit that like button and subscribe to Mr. USA English so you never miss a lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. How's it going? This is a casual way to say, how are you? Repeat after me, how's it going? Number 2. Long time no see. Use this when you haven't seen a friend for a long time. Repeat after me, long time no see. Number 3. What have you been up to? This means, what have you done recently? Repeat after me, what have you been up to? Number 4. Can't complain. This is a positive answer. It means everything is okay. Repeat after me, can't complain. Number 5. It's nice to meet you. Use this when meeting someone for the first time. Repeat after me, it's nice to meet you. Number 6. How do you know each other? Ask this to find out how two people met. Repeat after me, how do you know each other? Number 7. It's a small world. Say this when you see someone you know in an unexpected place. Repeat after me, it's a small world. Number 8. Catch you later. This is a cool way to say goodbye. Repeat after me, catch you later. Number 9. Have a good one. This means have a nice day. Repeat after me, have a good one. Number 10. Take care. Use this when saying goodbye to show you care. Repeat after me, take care. Number 11. What do you do for a living? This is a polite way to ask about someone's job. Repeat after me, what do you do for a living? Number 12. Where are you from originally? Ask this to know someone's home country. Repeat after me, where are you from originally? Number 13. I'm mostly at home these days. Use this to describe your current lifestyle. Repeat after me, I'm mostly at home these days. Number 14. The weather is lovely today, isn't it? This is classic small talk. Repeat after me, the weather is lovely today, isn't it? Number 15. You look great today. Everyone loves a compliment. Repeat after me, you look great today. Number 16. I love your shirt. Being specific with compliments is very nice. Repeat after me, I love your shirt. Number 17. Thanks for asking. Say this when someone asks about your life. Repeat after me, thanks for asking. Number 18. I have heard so much about you. Use this when meeting a friend of a friend. Repeat after me, I have heard so much about you. Number 19. Speak soon. Use this to end a phone call. Repeat after me, speak soon. Number 20. Keep in touch. This tells someone to contact you in the future. Repeat after me, keep in touch. Number 21. I couldn't agree more. This means you agree 100%. Repeat after me, I couldn't agree more. Number 22. I see your point. This means you understand, even if you don't agree. Repeat after me, I see your point. Number 23. That sounds great. Use this to react to good news. Repeat after me, that sounds great. Number 24. I'm not sure about that. This is a polite way to disagree. Repeat after me, I'm not sure about that. Number 25. Let me think about it. Use this when you need time to decide. Repeat after me, let me think about it. We are doing a great job. If you are enjoying this video, please check if you are subscribed to Mr. USA English. It helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you. Now, let's continue with number 26. Number 26. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. This means you feel sick. Repeat after me, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Number 27. It's not my cup of tea. This is a polite way to say you don't like something. Repeat after me, it's not my cup of tea. Number 28. I'm exhausted. This means you are very, very tired. Repeat after me, I'm exhausted. Number 29. I'm over the moon. This means you are extremely happy. Repeat after me, I'm over the moon. Number 30. It drives me crazy. Use this when something annoys you. Repeat after me, it drives me crazy. Number 31. I really appreciate it. This is a strong thank you. Repeat after me, I really appreciate it. Number 32. No worries. This means you're welcome. Repeat after me. No worries. Number 33. Whatever you prefer. Use this to let the other person choose. Repeat after me. Whatever you prefer. Number 34. It doesn't matter to me. This means you have no preference. Repeat after me. It doesn't matter to me. Number 35. Make up your mind. This tells someone to decide quickly. Repeat after me. Make up your mind. Number 36. It cost a fortune. This means it was very expensive. Repeat after me. It cost a fortune. Number 37. It's a ripoff. This means the price is too high for the value. Repeat after me. It's a ripoff. Number 38. That's a bargain. This means it is a good price. Repeat after me. That's a bargain. Number 39. I'm broke. This means I have no money right now. Repeat after me. I'm broke. Number 40. I'm just looking, thanks. Use this in a shop when you don't need help yet. Repeat after me. I'm just looking, thanks. Number 41. I need to run some errands. This means going to the bank or grocery store. Repeat after me. I need to run some errands. Number 42. Can you give me a hand? This is asking for help physically. Repeat after me. Can you give me a hand? Number 43. I'm on my way. This means you are traveling there now. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. Number 44. I'm running late. Use this to tell someone you will not be on time. Repeat after me. I'm running late. Number 45. Hold on a second. This means wait a moment. Repeat after me. Hold on a second. Number 46. Let's get going. This means we need to leave now. Repeat after me. Let's get going. Number 47. Did you get my text? Use this to check if they received your message. Repeat after me. Did you get my text? Number 48. My battery is dying. Use this when your phone is almost off. Repeat after me. My battery is dying. Number 49. The Wi-Fi is down. This means the internet isn't working. Repeat after me. The Wi-Fi is down. Number 50. Could you speak up, please? Ask this if you need someone to speak louder. Repeat after me. Could you speak up, please? Number 51. Let's call it a day. This means let's stop working for today. Repeat after me. Let's call it a day. Number 52. I'm swamped. This means I have too much work. Repeat after me. I'm swamped. Number 53. Keep me in the loop. This means tell me if there are updates. Repeat after me. Keep me in the loop. Number 54. Don't take it to heart. This means don't be sad about the criticism. Repeat after me. Don't take it to heart. Number 55. It's not the end of the world. This means the problem is small. Repeat after me. It's not the end of the world. Number 56. Pull yourself together. This means calm down and focus. Repeat after me. Pull yourself together. Number 57. Step up your game. This means do better or improve. Repeat after me. Step up your game. Number 58. Once in a blue moon. This means very rarely. Repeat after me. Once in a blue moon. Number 59. Piece of cake. This means it is very easy. Repeat after me. Piece of cake. Number 60. Better late than never. It is good you did it, even if it is late. Repeat after me. Better late than never. Number 61. How do I get to the station? Use this to ask for directions. Repeat after me. How do I get to the station? Number 62. Is it within walking distance? Can I walk there? Repeat after me. Is it within walking distance? Number 63. Can you recommend a good place to eat? Use this to find a good restaurant. Repeat after me. Can you recommend a good place to eat? Number 64. Table for two, please. Use this when arriving at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Table for two, please. Number 65. Can we have the bill, please? Use this when paying for the meal. Repeat after me. Can we have the bill, please? Number 66. Is service included? This asks about the tip. Repeat after me. Is service included? Number 67. I'd like to check in. Use this at a hotel or airport. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in. Number 68. What time is checkout? Use this when leaving a hotel. Repeat after me. What time is checkout? Number 69. Do you accept credit cards? Always check before you buy. Repeat after me. Do you accept credit cards? Number 70. Where is the nearest ATM? Use this if you need cash. Repeat after me. Where is the nearest ATM? Number 71. Fingers crossed. Use this to hope for good luck. Repeat after me. Fingers crossed. Number 72. Good luck with that. Use this to wish someone success. Repeat after me. Good luck with that. Number 73. You've got this. This is great for encouraging someone. Repeat after me. You've got this. Number 74. Hang in there. This means don't give up. Repeat after me. Hang in there. Number 75. Give it a shot. This means try it. Repeat after me. Give it a shot. Number 76. Make yourself at home. Say this to welcome a guest. Repeat after me. Make yourself at home. Number 77. Help yourself. Tell your guest to take some food or drink. Repeat after me. Help yourself. Number 78. Be my guest. This means go ahead, do it. Repeat after me. Be my guest. Number 79. Thanks for having me. Say this when leaving someone's house. Repeat after me. Thanks for having me. Number 80. Do you need anything else? A polite question for a guest. Repeat after me. Do you need anything else? Number 81. It was lovely to see you. A polite goodbye. Repeat after me. It was lovely to see you. Number 82. I'd better be going. Use this when you need to leave. Repeat after me. I'd better be going. Number 83. Don't be a stranger. This means visit me again soon. Repeat after me. Don't be a stranger. Number 84. Give my regards to your family. Say hello to your family for me. Repeat after me. Give my regards to your family. Number 85. Let's do this again sometime. Use this if you enjoyed the meeting. Repeat after me. Let's do this again sometime. Number 86. Have a safe trip. Say this to someone traveling. Repeat after me. Have a safe trip. Number 87. Text me when you get home. A safety check for friends. Repeat after me. Text me when you get home. Number 88. See you around. A casual goodbye. Repeat after me. See you around. Number 89. Goodbye for now. A final goodbye. Repeat after me. Goodbye for now. Number 90. I have to run. This means I must leave quickly. Repeat after me. I have to run. Number 91. Sorry to keep you waiting. Apologize if you are late. Repeat after me. Sorry to keep you waiting. Number 92. I didn't mean it. Apologize for a mistake. Repeat after me. I didn't mean it. Number 93. It happens. Don't worry about the mistake. Repeat after me. It happens. Number 94. What a pity. Express sadness about a situation. Repeat after me. What a pity. Number 95. I doubt it. You don't think it is true. Repeat after me. I doubt it. Number 96. Who knows? Nobody has the answer. Repeat after me. Who knows? Number 97. It's up to you. You can decide. Repeat after me. It's up to you. Number 98. Watch out. Be careful. Repeat after me. Watch out. Number 99. Calm down. Relax. Repeat after me. Calm down. Number 100. That's all for today. The work is finished. Repeat after me. That's all for today. Congratulations. You just practiced 100 essential English phrases with Mr. USA English. If you watched the whole video, you are a dedicated learner. Here is your homework. Pick one phrase from today's video and write it in the comments below. I want to see which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for more lessons. See you in the next video.